Looking for the best way to record your screen on Windows or Mac? In this video, you will discover 2 easy ways to do it. A free online option for your quick recordings, and a pro option for polished tutorials and demos. Your choice depends entirely on your goals. Let's get you started. First, you can access the FocuSee online screen recorder for free. There are no recording time or watermark restrictions. You can find the link in the description. The system automatically detects your screen, microphone, and webcam. Just click record, and you can edit your video online, add zoom effects, and export. But doing this manually takes your valuable time. If you want to create high-quality, engaging product demos that feel like trending videos, and build step-by-step onboarding tutorials, you need an efficient and convenient screen recorder. For complex projects like product marketing demos and detailed tutorials, you can download the FocuSee desktop. The following will show how it works. Let's start recording, exactly the same as before. After recording is complete, enter the editor. It automatically tracks your cursor clicks, applies auto zoom, and instantly adds a professional background and 3D motion. You can also get more professional video effects, such as real-time visually guided annotations, AI editing to quickly remove silent clips, and one-click audio noise reduction. All operations can be completed with a single click, just as shown in this video. Click the link in the description below to try FocuSee for free and elevate your screen recordings. Make sure you subscribe to more screen recording tips and feature updates.